Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you are new here, consider subscribing because over here you can find unboxing, hauls, product reviews, home decor and more. In today's video, I have for you guys a very exciting unboxing, and this is my last item, I'm sure about it, hopefully, from the 28 collection from Chanel. This is one that soon I find out that the new collection will come up, and I saw this one. I just went crazy about it. Like you guys can see right now, they all increased the price again for the classic and all those nice bags, and it's even harder to get one now. So I decided just to go for something more simple, something that I can use all the time with anything, and something that don't cost like crazy amounts of money like the classic flaps. So this is one option that you can guys consider if you getting affected with these price increases. You dream back, and if it's a classic, it's getting even harder to get it at this time. So stay in there, because then at the end I'm gonna give you some more shot of how it look, this bag on me. Okay, so I have right here, this is the bag that I received, and a very quick story or something very quick. I went on top of my like 3 different CA or sales associate to get this bag. Soon I found out like 3 months ago that it's gonna come up. I just like, please I want this, keep one for me. If it's any waiting list, put me in that list. If it's any reservation, I will receive it, I will pay for it. And everybody was like, oh, we don't know, I haven't seen that bag. One of my CA, because I guess I asked him so early, or he maybe knew but he didn't want to say anything. He said, I haven't seen that, I don't know if that's gonna come out, I will let you know. But the same day that the collection dropped, I just contact them right away, and they send me links of places that I can get it. And that place, by the meantime, let me open this bag. And when he sent me the link, I purchased through the link, and then like actually a day later, he sent me a link that those people sent to him wherever he ordered from, that, oh, I'm sorry, but your order was canceled due to was only one item and it was reserved. It happened to me before already. So he sent me another link, but by the meantime it was already late, so that store closed. So I have another CA in California, which is like 3 hours different from where I live. So at that time, my CA here, the store was closed, but in California it was open. So I contacted him and I said, listen, I really need this bag, I will love to get this bag, and you please see if you have it available, or you can get it, find it somewhere, you know, because I knew that this will sold out right away. So that same day that dropped, it was so hard to get it. Plus I found out by my CA over here that not every store get items. So some store get a few items and other no. So that's why it's so hard lately to find items, especially for Chanel, because not every store get everything from the collection. So I really recommend it to find yourself different CA in different states or different boutiques, because any of them can have the item, but not all of them will. So keep that in mind. So okay, I told my CA right away, the one in California, please. So I sent him the picture of the bag, and he told me right in that moment, I have one right here, it just arrived. I guess after he looked at his system, it's in the box and everything, it haven't been open at all. So I don't know if he had only one or what, and I want it, no question about it. So he like, okay, so he did everything, and I was able to get it, and I'm very excited about it, because it was hard to get it, guys. I couldn't imagine, and I really want this so much because I think it's the perfect option for what I want and for what I want it for. So this is, it's like super good pack, and it's right here. It comes in this nice pack. So what I'm most excited about is it's new. He told me it's in the box, it haven't even been opened at all, it just arrived. So I was happy about it because sometimes I don't like when they open it and they look at it and then other customers look at it, touch it, and here and there, and then put it back, and then somebody else. So it's nice when they tell you, you know, it's new in the box. So this is the beautiful box right here. So nice. I'm so excited because it's the most affordable one too right now for what is the price. So like you guys can see, is this, let me see, is this beauty right here. Let me show you. This is the interior, and it comes with that chip right there. The chip have a numerical. Let me see, you guys can see. Yeah, this is not my good camera because I didn't have battery, but it has one packet inside. What's this? The CC had the right here the stamp. I pretty like it. I think it gives you that classy vibe, classy look, but for less. It's a nice, beautiful. Let me see. This is how I use my phone. I had this cover. Let me see if it fit. Perfectly fit there. I had to say it's not too big. It will fit the key and something else right there. It's not too big, but it's very nice. It looks very chic. And of course, it can be I can even put this in the inside. So you see what I mean? It gives you that classy flap vibe, but I'm gonna leave you the measurement right here. But I really like it. I just like this style. I think it makes it so chic and so pretty. Right here, these have the CC here, and I love the big CC. I like this falling right here, this detail. I think it's so pretty too. I just love it. So I really don't carry much if I dress up to go out. This one is perfect because I just need my phone, a small card holder, and probably the key if I'm not with my husband, and that's it. But I usually, most of the time, I'm with my husband, so he usually carry the key and all that. So let me know what you guys think. If this is something that you will go for. Let me put it even smaller. I think it can even. I had to say I'm a little bit scared with the kind of material. Ooh. I don't know. How that material will hold, but I just had a sticker right here. I just had a sticker. I should have taken it off before. It's okay, but I can like fix it in the right way, of course, but it had a... I didn't remove the sticker, so that's the nice thing, that can be used in multiple way and leave a nice look and style. Okay, and don't forget to give a thumbs up and a like to this video if you are so far enjoying. Check out my other video and channel unboxings. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one so far. Let me know what you think about this perfect fit. I was looking very good at it, and the material, the catfish, I just don't feel that material. I prefer caviar. And I love the bag, I love the look, but now I like a little, to give you my honest opinion, that's why it's good to go to the store and look at it, but in this case I didn't want it risky. So I really like it, but I'm not completely happy with the material, so let's see if it works on me. But I prefer caviar, especially this kind of bags, you know, so let's see how that goes. I will let you know, guys, if I keep it or not, but I really like it, but I'm not comfortable with the material, so let's see. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe, to give a thumbs up, share this video. Anybody up there that really would like to see videos unboxing of this kind of pieces, and smile because you are beautiful. I hope you guys have a wonderful day and see you soon in my next video. Bye.